and welcome to One India. We have an exciting and intriguing topic for you today. We are delving into the world of Halloween, its traditions, culture and origins, and its growing popularity in India. Halloween, celebrated every year on October 31st, is a holiday that has a rich history and a unique blend of traditions. At its core, it's a day when people come together to commemorate the dead, engage in festive activities, and let their imaginations run wild. Halloween's traditions have evolved over time. One of the most iconic customs in dressing up in costumes, with its spooky monsters, beloved superheroes, or classic movie characters. Creativity knows no bounds in Halloween. Trick or treating is another well-loved tradition where children go door to door receiving sweets and treats from their neighbors. Many households decorate their homes with carved pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, and other spooky ornaments, creating an enchanting and sometimes spine-chilling atmosphere. Halloween's root can be traced back to the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, which marked the end of the harvest season and the beginning of winter. It was believed that the boundary between the living and the dead was blurred during this time, and spirits roamed the earth. To ward off these spirits, people would light bonfires and wear costumes. Halloween has been making its presence felt in India in recent years, with celebrations and parties becoming more popular. But why is it celebrated here? India, known for its cultural diversity and openness to embracing global festivities, has gradually adopted Halloween as a fun and vibrant occasion. It provides an opportunity for people to explore creativity through costumes and decorations while enjoying the thrill. The spooky season and Western influence also plays its part here. Some educational institutions also use Halloween as an opportunity to teach students about different cultures and costumes. As we wrap up our exploration of Halloween, it's evident that the unique holiday has transcended borders, bringing people together in the spirit of fun and festivity. Whether you are a die-hard Halloween enthusiast or just someone looking to have a good time, this celebration had something for everyone. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you a happy and safe Halloween.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.